Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. In this short guide, you will learn how to check your store balance and request a payout, so you always know how much you have earned and exactly how to get your money. Let's get started. In your vendor menu, open Seller Tools and click Accounting. This is your money dashboard, where Resogra keeps track of everything you earn from your sales. At the top of the page you will see your current balance. This is the money from your sales that is ready to be paid out to you. A brand new store starts at 0, and this grows with every order. Just below, you can switch between two views. Transactions shows every sale, fee, and payment on your account, while balance withdrawals shows only the payout requests you have made. When you are ready to get paid, click Request Withdrawal in the top right corner. This opens a simple form to ask Resogra to send you your money. In the payment amount box, type how much you would like to withdraw. You can take out your full balance, or just a part of it. It is completely up to you. You can add an optional note in the comments box, then click Create to send your request. Resogra reviews it and pays you out. That is all it takes to receive your earnings. And that's it. You now know how to check your balance and request a payout on Resogra. Thanks for watching, and visit resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.